Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to continue on with Learning Target 1.5, analyze the different types of matter in terms of particle structure and organization. For some of you, this will be a review, and for others, this will be the first time seeing it. Today we're going to do classifying matter stations, which builds off of what we learned yesterday. So please look back, have your mind map ready, and look at your scaffoldings. So let's begin. I'm going to go through and do a think aloud of a new type of matter. So my matter that we're going to do is called ethanol. So on your classifying matter stations worksheet, we're going to do a couple things. First, the directions is you start at your assigned station, you're going to identify the chemical formula, then the common name, then analyze the different types of matter using the graphic organizer, and provide evidence for your classification. So to begin with, I am starting with ethanol. Now do not shake or open any of the matter jars. Just look at them and observe them. So ethanol, my step one is to identify the chemical formula. Remember, the chemical formula is the letters and numbers. So ethanol's chemical formula is C6 or C2H6O. The common name is ethanol, if I can spell it. There we go. Now I need to go through and I need to classify the matter. So the very first step is I can use the graphic organizer to guide my thinking, which is right here. I'm going to go back to my Mimeo slides so I can write on it. So I need to start off with matter. So we have matter because anything that has space or mass takes up and is matter. So can it be physically separated? So I ask myself, can I physically pick out a C and H in a row, or can I filter those out? No, I can't. So I would say no. So I follow this line here. I say no. So now I'm at a substance. Now, is it made up of two or more atoms? Well, I see a capital C, a capital H, and a capital O. So that means yes. So I follow here. I have classified this matter as a compound by asking those questions. So I come back to my sheet and I type in compound. Now I need to provide evidence that is a compound. So we need to go back and we need to say I can say that ethanol is a pure substance that cannot be separated . It is made up of two or more atoms/elements. So to remind you of what I did there, I went through the mind map, and to provide evidence, I answered those questions. Okay, so I put my evidence as the answer to those questions for it's a compound. Now, any way that you go, either be it a solution, a colloid, a suspension, a compound, or element, always provide evidence. So to recap, you're going to go through the matter stations. You're going to start at that assigned station. As a group, first you identify the chemical formula, then identify the common name. Then you're going to analyze the different types of matter by using your graphic organizer or your mind map. And then you need to provide evidence for your classification. The evidence is the answers to the questions. Remember that. If you need help with that, go back to the proficient level of understanding in your notes where we described matter. It's the same thing. So now, though, you have your guided practice where analyze the particle organization, patterns, and structures of the following matter. Now remember, I have here an example for water. This is a exceeding level answer, and the reason it is because we have this right here. We named and identified the number of atoms in that compound. All right. Also, we state that it's in a liquid state, and we talk about the organization of that. Those two sentences right there make this an exceeding answer. When you're completely done, you're going to have to go through and you're going to identify one matter jar, cannot be from the guided practice, and analyze the particle organization, patterns, and structures. Then you will post your answer to KidBlog, all right, and that will be your analysis portion. The successful answer right there, there's 3 things that I'm looking for. You're going to categorize it, describe it, and analyze it, the matter that you choose. Okay? Have a great day. Be kind and respectful, and let's get everything done today. Thanks, everyone. See ya.